Heavyweights, 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 YouTube. What it do? It's your boy Heavy C. I'm back with another dope video, man. Thanks for tuning in to Heavy C TV. Y'all see what it is. We got wine tasting today, man. We got a homemade wine right here. Now we actually started this wine January 1st, and today is February 4th, 2021. But this is just a video of us racking and tasting the wine. But before we get started, man, if you ain't of the age of 21, I need you to leave this video and go check out one of my gaming videos or my other fun videos that's PG-13. Also, I'm a medical marijuana patient in the state of Florida, so if you see me smoking in this video, just know that it's legal, alright? Now let's go ahead and get our smoke on real quick. While we getting a little smoke on, I'm gonna explain to y'all what we did and stuff like that, and what we got right here in front of you, man. So let's go ahead and get the spliff lit up. Got some Blue Dream mixed with some sour diesel today, so we got our sativa mixed with our hybrid. Open up our mind a little bit, give us some motivation for the day, you know what I mean? Get our day started. But at the same time, help us with our pain and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So what we got here, we got Welch's grape juice. We went with the Aldi's 100% grape juice, and we got the Aldi's organic 100% apple juice. When you're making your wine, you gotta have 100% fruit juice. You don't want no like anything with like sorbates, any type of preservatives in it, because what it's gonna do is when you put your yeast in your sugar, and it's gonna work against your yeast trying to change the sugar into alcohol, see, because it's a preservative. So you always gonna make sure you got 100% juice. So any juice that's 100% you can use for this process. Also, we got our sugar, and if you see down at the bottom, we got our D47 yeast. Now you can also use red yeast from the store, but we wanted to try it the right way the first time, so we went ahead and got the D47 winemaker's yeast. Now also I got these two 64-ounce jugs that we're gonna rack it into. That's why we got this tube right here. We're gonna stick the tube down in these, and we're gonna siphon it into these jars all the way down until we get to where all the junk is at the bottom. We don't want none of that in our wine. If we try to just keep it in here, every time we tip it over, we're gonna be mixing all that nastiness into it. So let's go ahead and finish our spliff up real quick, and we're gonna go ahead and get in the rack. I'm gonna give you the process real quick of what we did. We took these drink bottles right here, we poured out about 16 ounces, poured them down to about where you see them right now, so we can have room for the, everything to do whatever it wanted to do. Added a cup and a half of sugar to these bottles. Then we took small dipping things like you use when you dip ketchup and mustard, the little Dixie dipping cup. And each one of those we put a half a teaspoon of our yeast in, and then we added warm water to it and stirred it up, let it sit, stirred it up, let it sit until it was real dissolved, and then we added that to these. Once we added it to these, we shook it up real good, shook it up real good. And then after we did that, we twisted these tops to where they were loose, so that when you squeeze the bottle, they go up and down, because if you don't, this shit is gonna blow up. The yeast and the sugar gonna get to doing some magic in here. You're gonna see it happening. And you're gonna let it sit for at least a month or 21 days to a month. Now in that process, as you first let it sit, you're gonna see it's gonna get to doing magic. It's gonna be bubbling. So by the end of that time period, you want it to be settled. No bubbling, nothing happening at the top. And you'll see that's when it's ready. So don't mess with it. After you shake it up and you sit it for that month, don't mess with it. Leave it sitting there. That magic gonna happen, and it's gonna be good. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna come out usually 16 to 20% alcohol, which is usually higher than what you buy in the store, you know. So we're gonna taste test this wine when we done getting our little wake and bake in, and then a little smoke session. We're gonna get the wine taste. So leave in the comments what y'all smoking on today. Leave in the comments have y'all ever made homemade wine before. How they come out, how they taste. Blue Dream and sour diesel is blowing real good. It's real earthy right now, tasting real good, real fruity. The Blue Dream real fruity, and then the sour diesel giving it that little extra earthy. Hey, it's tasting good right there. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking these tops off and stuff like that. We're gonna be siphoning into these bottles. Now I should have bought more of these right here, these jugs, because I got 3 of these, but so I'll probably just rack 2 of these for right now. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Grab your glass of wine, grab your favorite spliff. Let's go ahead and rack this wine and get our taste testing going after that. Let's get it going. Alright, so before we get this started, I wanted to show y'all the sediment that I was talking about that sits at the bottom. Y'all see that right there? So each one of our jugs, that's our dead yeast and our dead sugar. Now you see how clear that apple juice got? It's back clear now. Before, it was cloudy. It was real cloudy. Same as the grape juice. It's got as clear as it's gonna get. But once we put the grape juice in the glass, we'll see that it's clear. But y'all see that sediment on the bottom. All right, let's go ahead and start racking it. First one we're gonna rack is the Welch's grape juice. And right here we got our main thing. So let's go ahead and get it going, man. So right now I can see that it's about right here is where I got it. Let's practice. All right, here we go. We got it going. That's it for number one, baby. That's it for number one. Let's go ahead and close it up. Do y'all look at it? We almost got 64 ounces, so we're gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna leave this grape in this one, and I'm gonna put an apple in the next jar. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And this is what we left with in the bottle. Y'all see all that nasty stuff at the bottom? This is why you rack your wine. Look at all that nasty shit. Yeah, you don't want that in your wine, so we're gonna throw all that away. Let's go ahead and start racking the apple. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and rack the apple juice into the jar so we can get the taste test. It's tricky, man, because I don't want to get it everywhere, but as you can see our sediment at the very, very bottom, so we're probably gonna go to this bottom line right here. Alright, so we're just gonna go for it. Alright, it's tricky, but we're gonna go look. Lean it so we can get it going. Oh yeah, that's tasting good. It's almost like champagne. Then we're gonna go down to the bottom line. The bottom line is, then we're gonna lean and tilt it to get the rest. Y'all see it racking now? That's a dope angle, right? And we about right here. With our tube, you can see it right there. I don't see none of our stuff getting into it. Let's go ahead and lean it over. Look at that magic happening in there as it goes in. And we're gonna call that Applejack. Bluefish Applejack. Pops like to call it Applejack, we're gonna call it Applejack. That's all we want. Cause it's starting to pick up the bottom. We don't want that. We want to keep it clear. Boom, and that's done. There we go with the apple. So let's go ahead and cap that up. Look how clear that is, man. Damn. That's how you make some Applejack. That's Bluefish Applejack. We're gonna taste test it now. So this is what we got left in the bottom. Look at all that junk, man. See, you don't want none of that in your wine. Look at it. Imagine if that got into that. It wouldn't be so clear, see? So you wait a month, I say a month at least, man. A little more than a month until she stopped bubbling, and boom, that's all dead yeast. That's our D47, right there, D47. Alright, heavyweight, so what I'm gonna do is, being when you make this, it kind of makes it like a champagne / rosé. You got a little carbonation in this, so if you let it sit, it's gonna build up a little carbonation, and I wanted to stop fermenting, so what we're gonna do, when we done racked it, we're gonna loosen the cap just a little. I got two loose. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna shake it up. We wanna make it flat. You know when you shake soda up and it get flat? We wanna make the wine flat. We want it to be smooth. Cause look at all that carbonation going on in there. Look at that. Look like a big ass jug of beer. Then once we put it in the fridge, it should settle down also. I'm gonna get it nice and mixed too. But let's do our grape one a little bit. Look at that red wine, man. Listen, I can hear it. This is pretty much like Chardonnay champagne. That's how that D47 makes champagne. We're gonna let that sit. We're gonna let it air out. Let's go ahead and get the tasting. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get the tasting. We got the Welch's grape right here, and we got the apple right here. So let's go ahead and get the tasting. We're gonna taste. I say the apple first because the grape can be a little stronger, so it's gonna probably get on our palate a little harder. Smell like wine, that's for sure with it. Don't smell like apple, it smells more like a grape wine. So let's go ahead and taste it, man. Ooh, she's strong for sure. It's not all the way out. You don't get the apple juice flavor at all. You can tell it's still apple, but at the same time, it almost tastes like a white grape, but it ain't, you know what I mean? Definitely strong. I feel it going down my stomach and stuff. That's a good drink right there, man, for sure. Y'all gotta do this at home, man. Let's go ahead and try our red. Y'all see how it's looking? Oh yeah. Yeah, now that's a good red wine. I like a sweet red wine. Let's see if this one got it. Is it sweet or how's it hitting? Oh yeah. It ain't too sweet. It's like almost sour, sweet, sour kind of. It ain't too dry. Damn, and I feel it going down. I feel it, yeah. Both of them, I feel it already hit me. You know, I ain't a big drinker, but. Oh yeah, that's wine. We got it down. We're just gonna keep perfecting it more and more. We started with the grape and the apple, so we're gonna bring more flavors. I'm thinking about white grape and peach next. That's gonna be hitting. They got a white grape peach drink. We might try some cranberry, because if you drink cranberry, you know, cranberry good for your bladder. So hey, wine's supposed to be good for you too. So 2 birds with 1 stone. But yeah, it's good, man. Let's go ahead and finish it real quick just for y'all. Ooh, when I get it cold, it's gonna be even better. And we shook it up good and stuff, so it ain't got no type of carbonation left on it. It's actually cool because I had it sitting in the closet. You want to keep it in a dark area now when you got it. Let's go ahead and finish the apple. I'm gonna be wavy after this video, man, but that's good, man. Say we got somebody special in the building today, man. I got Ma Dukes in here. Hey, she ready to try the wine. She said she want to try the red. Now, what kind of red wine do you like, Mama? How do you like your red wine?
Sweet.
You like sweet, not dry at all?
No.
So you don't like it? You don't like dry? You like sweet? That's just like me.
Yeah.
Are you sweet?
Yeah, I'm sweet.
All right, so she want to try the red. Go ahead, try it, Mama. Let me know how it is.
Oh, that's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. Yeah, boy. Hey, mama.
What the hell you want with?
Do you get like a sweetish sour? Because that's what I kind of got from it.
No, it's just sweet.
It's just sweet to you?
Mm-hmm.
And what it tastes like? It tastes like wine, right?
Yeah.
Alright, that's cool. Did it warm your stomach up a little though? You
Yeah.
feel it going down?
Yeah.
Just like a real actual wine from the store? Alright, so hey, y'all got it straight from my mom's mouth herself. Hey, I love you, Mama. Tell the heavyweights holler at them later.
I'll watch you later.
She gonna also go ahead and taste the apple wine. Damn. Alright, Ma Duke said she wanna try the apple, so she gonna go ahead and try some of the apple. Look how clear it is. Now you can't really tell it's apple. When I tasted it, it tasted like grape, but I don't wanna poison your mind, so let me know how it tastes to you. Do it taste like apple to you? It tastes like grape, don't it? Like a white wine, don't it? Now is it sweet or how does it taste?
Sweet.
Alright, now does it taste like I said, ask you with the other one, does it taste like a wine that you would get from the store or something like that?
No.
What, it tastes better?
Yeah.
Come on, y'all got it right there. Hey, she said it tastes better than the stuff in the store. That's crazy. Okay, hey, there y'all go. So we out. Y'all see heavyweights. We got some good wine. Taste it one more time for the heavyweights, man. Hey, there we go. We out, man. We love y'all. Throw that deuce up for him, Mama.
Peace.
Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all make sure y'all try this at home, man. We got the Bloopers Applejack wine now, and we got the grape. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's your boy Heavy C. Thanks for tuning in to Heavy C TV. Shout out to my heavyweights. Y'all know the motto: no drama, no lies, just positive vibes. It's self we trust, baby. Hey, and I'm out. Peace.